This is Peter Rabbit. He is about to commit a felony. Peter is planning on stealing Mr. McGregor's carrots. Watch what happens. Hands up, scumbag! Because the officers caught Peter in the act of stealing, they did not require a warrant to arrest him. So, Peter is taken to the police station where the charges are recorded. At this point, Peter is photographed, put in a lineup, and fingerprinted. Next is the initial appearance, where Peter pleads guilty or not guilty.
Are you guilty?
Next, a grand jury decides if there is enough evidence to prosecute. This is conducted in secret. They decide there is enough evidence, and so Peter is given an indictment or formal criminal charge. Next is the plea bargain, during which the defense lawyer, prosecutor, and police work out an agreement through which Peter could plead guilty to a lesser crime, and the government wouldn't prosecute him for the more serious crime. Peter insisted he wasn't guilty, and so the case goes to an arraignment, where the charges against the person are formally listed and the judge can ask Peter questions. Next, Peter went on trial for his crimes. This is where the jury hears the case and decides whether Peter is guilty or not guilty. It looks like we missed the prosecutor's case and cross-examination, but let's listen in on the defense case.
And so, I call on Mother Rabbit to the stand.
To tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, to help you God.
I do. So, Mr. Rabbit, would you say your son is a good boy?
Well, he tries to be.
And do you know Mr. McGregor? Mr. Rabbit, could you please tell us what Mr. McGregor did to your husband?
He baked him into a pie.
I object. Unrelated events.
Are you going somewhere with this defense?
No. It was more for dramatic effect.
You know what? This is the most straightforward case I've ever heard. We have police witnesses, incriminating evidence found on the person during the arrest, and your jacket and shoes found at the scene of the crime. The jury now decides what the verdict is.
Hey, that's my job. The jury now decides what the verdict will be. And obviously, he was found guilty, so the judge decides the sentence. In this case, Peter Rabbit was sentenced to 4 years in Azkaban. Jail. Well, I hope this video helped you understand court proceedings. See you next time when we follow a civil case, the Big Bad Wolf versus 3 Little Pigs.